Hello again. We are going to continue working on spelling. Today, if you remember from yesterday, we said on our spelling test, we're going to have 10 regular words, and then we're going to have 5 heart words. We're going to have some ABC and nonsense words for bonus points, and some sentences. So the practice today will help us with these regular words. We're going to mark our vowel with an X. It will also help us with the sentences. So those are the two things that we're working on with our words today. So in our words today, we are going to, let me see if I can make this. Oh, I think I know what I need to do. Okay, so we are just working on short vowel words. So just the vowels that have a, like apple, e, like a, I, like itch, like opera, like umbrella. Those are the sounds that we're working on with some of our consonant sounds. So every word that has and every syllable has a vowel. So because these are all one syllable words, lag, glass, wet, hem, they're all one syllable words, so they all have one vowel. If you have more than one syllable, they're going to have a vowel for every syllable. And so in these words, they're on one syllable, so they'll all have one vowel. Some words that sound like a might be lag or gas. To spell those, you would spell it ag, as, just exactly the sounds that you know. Wet and hem are the e words, et, lid and kid are some that have the I, like itch, id, id. So those 10 words that you're spelling on your spelling test at very first, as well as the sentences, you're just sounding out the letters in that word. Like O's are like opera, ox, og, jog, stop. And so, oh my goodness, I think these words are wrong. Let me fix those. This should be jug. And let me think of a word. What about, let's see what I've got here. Okay, let's do these. I'd made a mistake and put the O's instead of the U sound, and we want U's, jug, put. But you see, as soon as I sounded them out, I caught it because I knew that I wanted the short U sound like umbrella, So these are some words that you might get on your spelling test or in your sentences, but you might also get some other words. So I'm going to read some words down, and I want you to write them on your piece of paper. And not only do I want you to write the word, I want you to mark the vowel with an X. So on your paper, all of your vowels should be marked with an X. And so write down the word mud, mud. Mark your vowel with an X. Kit, kit. And rug, rug. So I want you to mark them with an X because remember on your spelling test, you get a point for spelling the word correctly, but you get another point for marking the word. If you forget those marks, you're not going to pass your spelling test because you get points for marking the word as well. So make sure you put those marks. So these were just to show you what it might sound like, but on the ones you wrote down, mud, kit, and rug, those X's need to be below the vowels. Okay, I want you to write down our heart words again. And so I want you to practice those. So the first heart word is from. What, with a heart around the A, and from the heart around the O. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. The next word is were, with a heart around the ER. One, with a heart around the O. And word, with a heart around the OR. Now make sure that you're taking your time. I know I'm going through everything fast and you tend to write sloppy when you go fast. That's why I want you to pause the video if I'm going too fast. But I want you to write your nicest handwriting because you get a point on your spelling test for nice handwriting. But also during Reading Horizons and Spelling, we're practicing nice handwriting. So make sure that you do that nice handwriting. Good luck with spelling today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.